Hello, good afternoon. Ene, your fabulous zone, fabulous quiz, CAB Koso. And we have our two contestants here, contestant 1 and 2. I'll start from 1. Me patcho your friend was saying.
Within the Bismark Darko.
Bismark Darko. But ene, ye ni minti wa person me tifi wa no. Ene, wo be den wa ha.
Oh, fabulous zone. I organize a quiz. I'm a Kotoko supporters. Since I Kotoko supporters ne dey, ne hu hia say e dey hu dim because ya ye dey. Because ye bo ana e team ni tumponti na ye wa ha no nti quiz ni nti ana ye wa ha no.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Me call number 2. Mpacha your friend was saying.
Akwasi Darko.
Akwasi Darko. The same question.
Oh, Kotoko ntiana mwa. Except Kotoko there. Me di Kotoko chiefity tama me nyum nyina na me Kotoko ni.
That's right.
Nti se BBC koso ama Kotoko supporters and fans there na o se me di me hujimu. Nti eno ntiana me wa ha.
Ma to say quiz ke CAB koso. We sure say we Kotoko. We see uma me nyum na we Kotoko. Me ne say quiz no pa say we win.
Oh, ni bibia nyame asem.
Oh, we sure.
Me sure nti enfa bibia chenya.
This sound you see you ni say we hu di no.
Oh, ni see.
So,
I really minimum no kakra.
into what are you looking forward to this quiz? What are you looking forward to?
Oh, me looking for is me new ideas into Kotoko. Nye Kotoko no me nyina na minim.
Okay.
Inti bia bibi wo ha so minima mesu aka ho.
Okay. Okay. Number 2 also, what are you looking forward to quiz we?
Eno aka no. O say o woni ma me yem nyina no na o ye Kotoko ni dada. Nti I'm hoping say me sua bibie fi ni nchen. Ene due na nso me de abo me bre o Kotoko mu ame wo no.
Na wo feel say wo so be win because
competition there. You never say baby, what I say, nti agro na wie no na we hu chale.
Of course. As you heard it from both of them, almost say quiz no. Obia be pulling out in the best. Until let's all relax, stay tuned onto Fabulous Zone and watch what's going on to crown the new Fabulous Zone quiz master. Thank you very much. Bye.
Yo ebusia ejeba enyaba bedu ha. The Fabulous Zone said they catch them say the judges from con everyone I the Fabulous quiz. The Fabulous quiz they got a consent sem and I say wow Jim who this only got Asante Kotoko no. Brand bisa ye bisa na waka ye bisa na waka ujim hu dia wo be hia wonyo kono so say also jim hu di mu bi enu da kan ni hia ye obedi nkunim no at the end of the day no ya man Kotoko strike JC. After this round no winner will progress to the next round. Enti sisi aye na ye contestant me nu ha ne. Remember say we are the first edition cry the Bremo, the very first episode. Now to my immediate right to Hano, contestant number 1, the friend of Bismark Darko, and then the far right to also the Akwasi Darko. Omuna the Darko, and then you baby with the Darko, China game, and the original. It is a video to the fashion. Before that, no yes start. I drop Kotoko. Be interview my mum na draw the support of the child Fabulous in the teenagers. Overwhelming. The ebe ko bia I chose afra draw oba no the support of the title. That's why I say any bra yimbi or no and the timekeeper. At the end of every round bia no beba na obi a results no they be to down. Yeah, fashion. Okay. The battle my ready there. Is that you? Okay, first round no I say the kind of 2 minutes about foreign stories with the easy that's why they account some mucha na points na possible because here coach you know na there thing never but with the foreign questions na ya one say the bremo it's really simple each question you have 15 seconds to answer 15 seconds to answer once me try we pass it on to the next as bonus where you have 5 seconds to answer. Me patcho bibi are you okay? Yes, that's it. Okay. Contestant number 1, Bismark. So, open foreign soccer.
Oh yeah, okay.
As a footballer, not a coach. Frank Lampard joined Chelsea from which club? As a footballer, not a coach.
Everton.
No.
West Ham.
West Ham, correct. West Ham. Okay, so West Ham is correct. Question number 2. Contestant number 2. Your main question. Which football club did Rio Ferdinand move to join Manchester United?
Leeds United.
Leeds United, correct. Correct for 3 points. Number 1, Bismark.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is the current manager of SSC Napoli?
Gennaro Gattuso.
Gennaro Gattuso. Okay. Akwasi. Okay. Who is the current manager of PSG?
PSG. Leg. Refi. PSG. Leonardo.
No.
Okay, we're sporting director. Refi.
Bonus.
PSG.
PSG.
Thomas Tuchel.
Thomas Tuchel.
That's true.
Okay. Now your major question.
Thomas Tuchel.
Bismark. We there for crowd. How many league titles did Sir Alex Ferguson win for Manchester United?
23.
No.
25.
No.
2 attempts.
2 attempts is out. Bonus question.
6.
No. Sir Alex Ferguson won 13 league titles for Manchester United. 13 league titles. Okay. I can see your major question. Who succeeded Sir Alex Ferguson when he left Manchester United?
David Moyes.
David Moyes. Correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. Okay, Bismark.
Yeah.
We're there for crowd. Who is the current FIFA president?
Gianni Infantino.
Gianni Infantino. Okay. I can see. Which country hosted the FIFA World Cup for 1994?
US of A.
US of A. Correct. Okay, I got last question for each. Alright, Bismark. Who is the all-time leading scorer in the FIFA World Cup? All-time.
Ronaldo.
No. Last chance.
All time.
Time out.
Charlie, we're Germany in Refinity. He scored against Ghana.
Oh, yes.
He scored against Ghana.
Yes.
Oh. Charlie, what's your team the point because Mama of Clue. He's a German. He scored against Ghana.
No. I want the name. I want the name.
Close. Miroslav, close. Oh, but me want a clue. I gave him a clue.
Yeah,
Miroslav closer.
It's Miroslav Klose.
Miroslav closer.
Yeah, that's the name, but unfortunately.
That's fine.
Okay, so your major question.
Okay.
Last question for the first round. We see the fella. Which 2 teams played in the 2010 FIFA World Cup, the final?
Spain and Netherlands.
So this brings us to the end of round 1. You better say score master. Now at the end of round 1, or the Ubiana, about there.
Okay, Nyano, fabulous quiz now. At the end of round 1, you will share in Nyano about contestant number 1, Bismark. At the end of round 1, when I am back to me and say 13 points. And I am Burma, we see Darko. At the end of round 1, in your man back to 14 points. Until round 1, in your Burma, Bismark, and I able to
Yo, so they would say, the scores not have Bremer at the end of round 1. Yeah, trust them called round 2. Round 2, no, and also silence, 15 seconds for each question. 2 attempts, just 2 attempts. But when it is about Ghana football, anything about Ghana football,
That's
fine.
fine.
Never beat up round 2. Yeah, fashion. Okay, Bismark,
Yeah.
your first question. What is the name of the home grounds, the stadium which Mediama play their matches? Mediama.
Shit.
Time out. Bonus. Mediama.
8-2. Takwatiene and Akumpa.
Takwatiene. Okay. Akwasi, your major question. What's the name of the head coach of Indiana Stars?
Akwasi Fabian.
Akwasi Fabian. Correct for 3 points. Bismark.
Yeah.
Which league season did Wafa destroy Hartlepool by 5-0?
2016-2017.
2016-2017.
Matamfunti or semi.
Okay, Bismark. No, sorry. Akwasi. Now your question. So let me be away. What's the name of the home grounds of Brekum Chelsea?
Brekum Chelsea. Golden City Park.
Golden City Park. Brekum Golden City Park. The home grounds. Okay. Bismark. Emreko, Bema, wash it.
No problem, it's true.
Okay, during the NC competition, there was tier 1 and tier 2. The tier 2, Ash Gold played which team in the final?
Tier 2. Ash Gold played Accra House of Folk.
No, Accra House of Folk, no, the final. Time up.
Inzima Kotoko.
Okay. Now your major question. Yeah. Which club did Heart of Folk sign Joseph Iso from?
Dwarfs.
Correct for 3 points. Dwarfs. Bismark, and then we wash it.
The question is Mimini.
Bismark, wash it. Okay. Now your major question. Major player. Now what would it
Okay.
You have 15 seconds per person.
Okay.
Nature and Bacho. Who is this player?
Ajimai. Boy is good. Odi Ajimai.
Do you know Ajman Yewum?
Ajimai.
Ajman Gwade.
Ajimai.
Ajman Wumpa.
Ajimai, wait, me and Kotoko into there.
We are passing it on. We'll try to points. Who is this player?
Ajio, Richard Osajiman.
Richard Osai Ajiman. Sorry, we're not points. Okay, I'm gonna see who is this player.
Apia McCarthy.
Okay, so this brings us to the end of round 2. The best score master be na the call, but you be a scores out to me at the end of round 2. No, and I bet you that am I score master.
Fabulous quiz na masukusu amuti. At the end of round 2, no, any of them are Bismark Darko, any 4 points. 4 points. And any of them are contestant number 2, Akwasi Darko, any 15 points.
Oh,
If you count first one and second one in album, first one and second one in album, any Abema Bismark Darko, any a total of 17 points, and Akwasi Darko according to a total of 29 points.
Okay, Yamra round 3. Purely Kotoko.
Wow.
Kotoko Sam Kwan and between round 3. Fabulous.
the rest.
Okay. Bismark.
Yeah.
Bismark. How you Bismark? Bismark, my woman.
Nipe wedding can't get that. Into the rest.
Wait, you. Okay, Yamra Kotoko. So, question number 1. You have 15 seconds. Only 2 attempts. Who is the first Kotoko player to win the Africa Best player?
Ibrahim Sunday.
Ibrahim Sunday. Correct. Okay, Akwasi. Which year did Asante Kotoko win its first Premier League title?
1938.
No, sir.
1937. 1937.
No, sir. Bonus.
1959.
1959. Wow. 1959. Correct for 1 point. Correct. Okay. Your major question. Okay. Which coach helped Asante Kotoko to win the 2007-2008 league title?
2007.
2007-2008 league title.
Bashiru Hayford.
Correct. Okay, Akwasi. Which Kotoko striker scored hat-trick in 6 minutes? Use 6 minutes to score hat-trick.
Bayi Opoko free.
Puku a free. No, sorry. It's not Puku a free. Can it be?
Opoko free. Oh,
2 times.
No, 2 times.
Opokunti.
It's Opokunti.
Let's time the course I say.
Opokunti. About hat-trick in 6 minutes against Heart of Oak.
in Accra, I remember.
Now, your major question. All right. Which current Kotoko player wears the jersey number 29?
Emmanuel Jemfi.
Correct for 3 points. Okay, I can see the same jersey number. Which current Kotoko player wears jersey number 2? Ajimanbedu. Correct. Okay. Now, this season, what was the scoreline between Kotoko and Elmina Sharks? Yes.
3-1.
No, sir.
Your boy.
Accra Sports Stadium.
Elmina Sharks.
Yes.
1-0.
No, sir.
0-0.
0-0. Correct for 3 points. 0-0. Yeah, 1 point. Okay. What was the scoreline between Asante Kotoko and 11 Wonders?
1-0.
1-0 in favor of
Asante Kotoko.
Correct. Okay. Last question each at this round. Okay. Which Asante Kotoko striker spent a lone season at King Faisal this season?
Ibrahim. Ouch. Ibrahim.
Time out. Akwasi bonus.
Osman Ibrahim.
You shouldn't even super.
Time is over.
Last question. Okay. During the Confederation Cup, Asante Kotoko beat in Ghana 3-0. Which player scored the third goal for Asante Kotoko?
Martin Entry.
Martin Entry. Okay. Yeah.
Ricky.
Okay, this brings us to the end of the third round. The third round is the baby. Said the winning the best afraid score master. Now I stand there to that. Bismark.
I had a day I happen at the end of round 3 in the linear of Bismark. I'm on the homeless. It's at the end of round 3 in Bismark, in 11 points. And the number in a total of 28 points. And I have with Darko, so in 11 points. And I didn't mind at the end of round 3, or I'm about 40 points. 40 points. It's still in a with Darko. And I didn't.
Okay, I can't last round. Wait, true or false question.
Okay.
No 2 attempts, just once. You have 5 seconds to answer. Okay, question number 1. Felix Anna wears just number 16, true or false?
False.
False, correct. Okay. Akwasi, Maxwell Darko joined Kumasi Asante Kotoko from Karela. True or false? True. All right. Bismark. Eric Bequin scored his first hat-trick against Wild Stars. True or false? False. Okay. 5-0. Kotoko transfer 5-0. Okay.
You're born in Mimre.
All right, Akwasi. Wahab Adams is the deputy captain of Kumerica Asante Kotoko. True or false? False. All right. Bismark. Augustine Okra assisted the second goal during the Kotoko hard game in Accra Sports Stadium when we beat Hartlepool 2-1 this season. Is it true or false?
Augustine Okra.
Yes, assisted. True. Yes, true.
Second goal.
No, sorry, the first goal.
Then we had the same.
The free kick, yeah. Okay. Akwasi.
Yes, sir.
Ibrahim Moro plays at the left wing position for Asante Kotoko. True or false? False. Left back. False. Okay. Bismark.
Yeah.
Fatal Safiu equalized the goal against Nkana in Kitwe when we went down by a goal to nil. In Kitwe, Fatal Safiu equalized the goal. True or false? False. So Sonia. The same Safiu equalized the Kotoko game against Al Hilal in Kumasi. True or false? False. It's Sonia Yakuba again. Okay, the score master Yemi on round 5 at the end of round 4. No? So scores will be 9 and family to that.
Final round, very true of course. Round video we say you have my best Yeah, to us now at the end of the final round, you have my best in 12 points. And the number in a total of 40 points. And I have a total of 15 points at the end of the final round. The number in about 55 points.
Quiz master.
And the first episode of Pablo's Quiz in Yabema, I see Darko. And I did in Kunim, and then I can see.
I can't see you now, baby. I say, Sinevi and a boom, Charlie. I'm saying, Darko, you would hear Papa and your papa. Okay, I could see Darko, and I imagine as the winner for the first episode or the fabulous quiz idea being. So you will progress to the next round. A drew high eventually for facing the wall. But for today, dear, I'm saying. Bismark, better was the pass, a tool of afro, to me, it's very unfortunate, say, went to me and say, "Oh, Conona, no, it's very unfortunate. They went to me and for the next round. You better ask Papa. Now, you are going to say, every time about Papa. Oh, the mediation come with you to Kotoko, only ye, only Asante Kotoko ye. You I can say now, baby, I had a fabulous Sunday kind. She said, "Do you imagine as been an Yabra, Akwasi, Darko, and the Everton Safari Yaba, a Kotoko. Now, the strike just brand new one. I will present Amano for emerging as the winner for today's competition. First time ever, no? Yeah, the strike just ever brand strike Jesse. Who's all about that's only penny back home. Now with you. Yeah, nice.
Wow. What a competition. Kotoko, a more day ampa. Winner. Wow. Tell me, how did it go? Who feel it saying?
Oh, say yes, I say no, me can say. Na me dame ma me em kra na me nim Kotoko. Na me say ja bibia so ma ema nyame. Nti bibia akwa wie ni dem de aseda be nyame. Nti said the mama be doing. We the first of its kind nti. Me pese me de kakra say ya na one day my be see you am Kotoko.
Thank you.
I know it's a dreamer I have had since I was a child. So I'll me de kakra na me so makomani me so me da organizers na say so mo to me nsa frame say me so me mbra na me kire dem nim adwene de ni ba ko foto mo we nyina ye trim, but at the end of the day no the obese me na mapoe de etoye nti na me metimi awi nti me da mase.
See that Simon said Jesse no was nice Jesse fatal so and also see na ye
say me win nti na mo de buy nti me share de akofi me share de atenam na de akofi nti we de baby am fa bia me free tema so na buy so nti baby am fa bia na de we Jesse we de na me shada.
Thank you.
Me Asante man colors no nti
Great.
me we better. We dey me the better pa me da mase so.
Yes, yeah, that's it. For this is Fabulous Zone and a quiz. No, this is the overall winner. Thank you very much. Bye.
Enyanum ne adofo we Fabulous Zone. Fabulous Zone quiz organized by the Fabulous Zone. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Nti wa we Kotoko fan bia no me srew say obeko YouTube no akọ subscribe no wetie ho na beti Kotoko nsem Kotoko nsema bibia be kan o Kotoko mu bia na ha e na oba beti obedi kan te ne ha first when di kan te ne ha first ni nyina de obedi kan te ne ha first na ye papa no kote no ba bia eno ye synthetic nti muntie na monsan hwe Fabulous Zone medamase.